Welcome to YADAV Enterprises, your trusted partner for high-quality fencing solutions. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at 4 of our best-selling products: PVC fencing, PVC-coated fencing, barbed wire, and fencing wire. Let's dive into what makes each of these products perfect for your fencing needs. 1. PVC fencing. First up, we have our PVC fencing, the ideal solution for both residential and commercial spaces. Made from durable, weather-resistant PVC, this fencing requires minimal maintenance and lasts for years. The key benefits: no rusting, no painting, and excellent resistance to UV rays, ensuring that your fences remain strong and vibrant even in extreme weather conditions. 2. PVC-coated fencing. We have PVC-coated fencing, a versatile and strong option designed to offer additional protection. The steel wires are coated with PVC, adding a layer of corrosion resistance, making it perfect for outdoor applications. 3. Barbed wire. Need extra security? Our barbed wire is your go-to solution for maximum protection. Whether it's for farms, factories, or boundaries, barbed wire provides a high level of security, acting as a deterrent against intruders. Made from galvanized steel, it's highly resistant to rust and weather, ensuring long-term reliability and safety. 4. Fencing wire. Finally, our fencing wire is the perfect choice for those seeking a simple, durable, and affordable solution. Whether it's for agricultural use or industrial fencing, this product is designed for strength and flexibility, making installation easy.